Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock your WhatsApp on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open your phone setting. Now search for the app lock. Tap on the apps. If you don't have the app lock in your Android device, you can download the third party app. Go to your Play Store, and from there you can download app lock. And you can see there are bundles of the options to hide your applications on your device. To just simply install those applications, and after that you can lock your WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.